folks, this is Sloan's Wilderness Expeditions. We are at the Dinosaur Monument, and we are going to hike the Fossil Discovery Trail. We are at the Morrison Formation. The fossils here are approximately 149 million years old. This is the real Jurassic World. You know, when dinosaurs like step on one of those cactus over here, they like start howling in pain, and breakdancing is invented.
That's how they broke their bones?
Yep. This is the Stump Formation. Lots of marine fossils.
So we'll find belemnite, ammonite, snail, ichthyosaur, and clam fossils, basically.
Yeah. Here's a whole group of clams.
Definitely a big old bone there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause there's some there.
What do you think of this landscape?
Pretty cool, isn't it?
It is.
Looks like the water is empty.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
It's the first petroglyphs we got to see, huh?
Yeah. I see some modern petroglyphs too.
Oh, good lord. That's why they had to put a fence around this. Obviously didn't stop them.
Nope.
As you can see, somebody actually carved right on top of that petroglyph.
Wow. How disrespectful.
Yep. That's beyond North American knucklehead status there. What that's supposed to be. Maybe it's
Aliens. I see another one down there. It looks like an upside down cross. Almost looks like a cross. Maybe it's like wheat or something, because I see some things sprouting from the top of it.
yeah. Well, it's a nice little hike,
Yeah.
and realistically, is our first hike out west, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What'd you think of the Quarry exhibit, though? Look at that wall.
Yeah. It's cool. Right down, I see like a few vertebrae.
Yep, there's definitely vertebrae in there.
And I see some huge sauropod leg bones.
Yep, sure is.
There's your camera source again.
That's pretty wild, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right in the rock wall. Perfectly preserved.
Gotta wonder what kind of event caused this.
Aw, good dino. Poor boy. Sorry we missed you.
Thick, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Allosaurus. Them claws.
Yeah.
They might have had short arms in relation to their body, but definitely wouldn't want to get in reach of it.
Nope.
What'd you think of the Quarry exhibit, though?
That was cool.
Yeah.